Hello and welcome back. So today we are going to study about marketing research, understanding the foundation of data-driven decisions. Now, what is marketing research? What is marketing research? Marketing research is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to support market decisions. Now, marketing research एक टाइप का सिस्टमैटिक प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें हम कलेक्ट करते हैं डेटा, एनालाइज करते हैं एंड इंटरप्रेट करते हैं उस डेटा को टू सपोर्ट मार्केटिंग डिसीजन. It helps businesses understand customer needs. Now, marketing research is very important in understanding the customer needs, marketing trends, and competitive dynamics. Why do we do marketing research? Basically, customer needs के लिए, market trends के लिए और dynamic competitive competition को meet out करने के लिए we do marketing research. The primary goal is to reduce uncertainty and improve the decision making. Now, the primary goal of any marketing research is that we reduce the uncertainty and improve the decision making. It can be conducted through primary and secondary sources. Marketing research दो तरीके से की जाती है, primary and secondary sources. Effective marketing research leads to good decision making and it helps in promotional strategies and pricings. Now, key steps in marketing research. Now, what are the key steps of marketing research? The step 1 is define the problem. Step 2 is develop research objectives. Now, step 1, define the problem. Clearly identify the market issue or opportunity. Now, whenever we have to do the marketing research, जब भी हमको marketing research करनी होती है, we always define the problem कि क्या problem है. Step 1 के लिए होता है we define the problem. Clearly identify the marketing issue or opportunity. Ensure objectives are specific, measurable and actionable. The object जो भी marketing research को objective होता है that should be measurable, specific and actionable. It should be specific, it should be measurable and actionable का मतलब हुआ कि the objective should be in our reach, in our limit. It should not be vague. मतलब the problem should be specific. It should be specific. हम कोई भी vague problem को लेके उसकी research नहीं कर सकते. You have to be measurable and you have to be specific so that you can do the marketing research. It involves stakeholders to gain alignment on research goals. Yes, and avoid vague questions that lead to irrelevant data. Now, कोई भी vague question नहीं होना चाहिए. डिफाइन जब भी हम प्रॉब्लम को डिफाइन करेंगे कोई भी वेग क्वेश्चन हमारे माइंड में नहीं होना चाहिए. द क्वेश्चन शुड बी लाइक वो मेजरेबल होना चाहिए, वो एक्शनेबल होना चाहिए और वो स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एट द टाइम ऑफ डिफाइनिंग द प्रॉब्लम. अ वेल डिफाइंड प्रॉब्लम सेट्स a well-defined problem is the base for any marketing research. Now, step 1 is defining the problem. एंड प्रॉब्लम जब हम डिफाइन करेंगे द ऑब्जेक्टिव शुड बी स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल एंड एक्शनेबल जिस पे हम एक्शन ले सकें. नाउ सेकेंड इज स्टेप 2 इज डेवलप रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. नाउ जो भी रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो कौन सा कैसा होगा. ट्रांसलेट द प्रॉब्लम इनटू स्पेसिफिक मेजरेबल गोल. डिटर्मिन व्हाट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नीडेड टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. कौन सी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें चाहिए सॉल्विंग के लिए हमारी प्रॉब्लम को, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम गैदर करते हैं. डेवलप रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव. सेट बाउंड्रीज फॉर स्कोप, टाइम एंड बजट. एक बाउंड्री हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमारा स्कोप क्या रहेगा, हमारा टाइम क्या रहेगा और हमारा बजट कितना होगा. हम अलाइन करते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को विद ओवरऑल बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी. We align, this is now very important कि we align objectives with the overall business strategy कि हमारी business strategy क्या होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को अलाइन करते हैं. दिस स्टेप इंश्योर्स द रिसर्च रिमेन्स फोकस्ड एंड रेलिवेंट. ये स्टेप इंश्योर करता है कि हमारा रिसर्च जो है वो फोकस्ड रहे एंड रेलिवेंट के रहे. रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है सो दैट आवर रिसर्च रिमेन्स फोकस्ड एंड रेलिवेंट. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी डिसाइड द रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कि हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू स्कोप होना चाहिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम होना चाहिए एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू बजट होना चाहिए. And it should align with the overall business objectives. Now, data collection methods. Now, how do we collect the data? There are two ways of collecting the data. One is the primary and the second one is the secondary. Now, primary data collection. Now, what do you understand by primary? Primary का मतलब हुआ through surveys and questionnaires, and जब हम एक surveys fill कराते हैं या through questionnaires we gather the data, that is known as primary way of collecting the data. Structured tools used to gather direct feedback from customers or consumers can be administered online और थ्रू अ फ़ोन और इन पर्सन. बेसिकली हम या तो ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल कराते हैं या फ़ोन के थ्रू हम फिल कराते हैं या इन पर्सन हम इंटरव्यू लेकर फिल करते हैं. दैट इज़ प्राइमरी डेटा. allows for quantitative analysis and strategic modeling. ये हमें quantitative analysis और statistical modeling में help करता है. Design must be clear, unbiased and focused on key variables. High response rates improve the reliability. जितना ज़्यादा लोग respond करेंगे through structure, through surveys and questionnaire, उतना ही reliable data हमें gather होगा, उतना ही better होगा हमारे research के point of view से. So you need to define कि क्या size आपका रहेगा. According to that, you need to gather the data through survey or questionnaire. Now, focus group and interview is also one of the method of primary data collection. First is qualitative methods that explore customer preferences and motivations. Focus groups involve group discussions on specific topics. Now, what do you understand by focus groups? Focus groups are the small groups in which help us for our research work. For example, 5 or 6 people का जो ग्रुप होगा, दैट इज़ नोन एज फोकस ग्रुप, जिनसे हम बेसिकली इंटरव्यू करते हैं हमारे रिसर्च के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से के लिए. मतलब स्मॉल ग्रुप्स होते हैं विच विल हेल्प इन डिसीजंस एंड स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक्स. So individual interviews provide in-depth insights into personal experience, ideal for understanding emotional and brand, helps identify unmet needs in potential products. Now interview can be one-on-one or it could be focus groups, like small groups हो सकते हैं 5 to 6 के people के, in which you can take interview जो जिसमें discussions हो सकते हैं for your topics, and then you can analyze and write the key findings with the help of the understanding of those focus groups. Okay. Analyzing and interpreting data. Now, when you have gathered the data, now primary way से you have gathered the data, and what is secondary? Secondary way is through questionnaires. जब आप research papers को read करके analyze करके एक findings gather करते हो, that is known as secondary way of collecting the data. Primary is known as the raw data, and secondary is through questionnaires, through your research articles and your research work, and किसी और ऑथर लिटरेचर रिव्यू करने के बाद जो आप डेटा गैदर करते हो, किसी की थीसिस स्टडी करने के बाद जो डेटा जो एनालाइज करते हो, दैट इज़ नोन एज योर सेकेंडरी वे. सेकेंडरी इज़ बेसिकली primary is you are the first person who is analyzing and doing it. Secondary is already somebody has done the research, and उनकी research को पढ़ के जो आप data analyze कर रहे हो, जो आप research findings लेके आ रहे हो, that is known as secondary. That is why it is known as secondary. You are the second person, because first one has already done the research and now you are reading that research, and आप उसके research papers को read कर रहे हो, and on the basis of those research paper you will draw the findings. That is known as secondary research. So basically there are two types of research, primary and secondary. Now analyzing and interpreting data. Now data हमने gather कर लिया है through primary or secondary way. Now data is clean, coded and organized before analysis. Quantitative data is analyzed through statistical tools like regression or segmentation. Now after we have gathered the data, we use the tools like regression or segmentation. Quantitative data is coded to identify the patterns. Findings are validated through cross-checkings and triangulations. Interpretation must be objective, context-aware and aligned with the business goals. After you have gathered the data, you analyze and interpret the data. So, how marketing research helps in the business success. So these are the ways how we gather the data and how we do the marketing research. So if you find it useful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please thank you for watching. Thank you.